Let's see how to build a powerful multilingual AI chatbot which can actually support up to 50 plus languages using the power of OpenAI. So here, let's see what are the languages supported right here. So if you go to our website right here, and if you click on frequently asked questions over here, and here, if you check this particular frequently asked question, can I build multilingual AI chatbots or chatbots in my own language, not just English? So basically, if the AI model you are using on your chatbot supports those languages, it simply works on our platform as well. For example, OpenAI actually support all these languages listed here. So it's actually over 50 plus languages. So let's see how this actually works over here. So here I'm in a demo account. I'm going to simply use the free template and show you how this particular multilingual AI chatbot works. So here let's go to the flow section over here and locate our free templates. So here all free templates is right here. So let's simply use the AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support. So here you have instructions on how to use this particular template, and here you will need to actually update whatever the business information related to your specific business right here. Here you have the company information where you can actually update whatever the information about your business, such as what some sort of introduction about your company, product and services, including pricing and the contact information. So that will be a basic business information about your company. So when someone actually asks any sort of questions, it simply respond to them. So now let's see how to make this particular prompt or business information to work on all those 50 plus languages. So you will have to add a prompt like this. For example, let's add like this. So let me simply add a prompt right here saying important, continue the conversation in the language used in the customer's last message. Simple as that. So let me click save right here, and let me publish this one. So this particular AI chatbot template can simply works on all the supported channels right here. For example, if you go here, you can check all the supported channels right here. So let's test this on Messenger or the Facebook. So here one of the channel connected here is Facebook. So let's test this on Facebook and see how this actually works right here. So here demo chatting media page is connected right here. So this is the page connected on this particular account right here. So let me actually send a message over here and see what happens. So let me send a message in English and see what happens. So let me simply send this message. So I'm actually sending this particular message in English, and let's see how this actually responds. So it says our business hours are Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday this particular 3 p.m. We are closed on Sundays. Simple as that. So here let's send me the same message in Spanish and see how this actually responds to us over here. So let me say translate this to Spanish, and let me add this one. Simply send the translation to the Spanish right here to the AI chatbot. So I'm actually messaging this particular chatbot in Spanish, and let's see how this actually respond to us. So it simply respond to us in Spanish as you see here. So if we translate back to English, it will simply says these sort of things. So this can actually support other languages too. So let me say translate that to German. So let me send the message, the same message in German right here, and see what happens. So let me send this message right here and see what happens. So it should actually respond to us back in the German right here. So it simply works for any business information you have provided right here. For example, let me actually switch the conversation and ask about. So here we have some pricing information as well. So here let me ask about this particular replacement right here. So now I'm going to actually transfer the conversation to English. So let me ask a question in English. How much is for, and this particular question. So I'm actually sending the question in the English and see how this actually respond to us. So now it simply respond to us back in the English. So as you can see, it simply works based on the customer's last language. So they have the capability to talk with the customer in any language they prefer. Even though they start the conversation in English, they have the option to switch to a different language they like. So this simply works for the lead generation capabilities as well. Can I get a special discount for this particular replacement? So here I'm actually going to send this a message in Spanish and see what happens. So let me say, translate this to Spanish. And here I want to show the lead generation capabilities on the Spanish language right here. So here let me send this message in the Spanish right here and see what happens over here. So we should receive the message back in Spanish. So if I translate this to English, let me show that. So let me say, translate this to English, and let's see what they have actually sent us here. To receive special discounts and VIP offers, could you please provide your full name, email address and phone number to sign up for our mailing list. So it simply asks them to provide these details. So let me say, my name is Spanish Test and my email is spanishtest@gmail.com. spanishtest@gmail.com. You can reach me at 917-243-5688. So here I am actually going to send this sort of message, but I'm going to actually send this message in, let's say, translate that message to Spanish. So let's see if it actually translates right here. So here it says my name is this one, this is my email and this is my phone number right here, and let me send this message right here. So you can actually submit all these details at once, or you can actually submit one detail at a time and it simply asks for the other details in the next message. So let me send this message right here. So let's see what happens over here. So it should actually respond back to in Spanish. So let me say, let me actually translate. So let me translate this to English and see what happens. So it says, thank you, you are now subscribed to our mailing list to receive special discounts and VIP offers. So if we go to the inbox right here, we should be able to track whatever the details we have provided in the chat through the Facebook. And as you see here, the name I provided is Spanish Test, the email is here and the phone number is here. So now let's send a message right here and ask the chatbot to sign up for the VIP list. Can you please sign me up for your VIP list so that I can actually receive special discounts, please? So let me send this message in English and see what happens. So this particular chatbot already know that particular person has already signed up for the VIP list, and it simply send them this sort of message. So this particular demo I showed in the Facebook page, as I mentioned, this can actually works on Instagram or whatever the other channels you connect right here. So that's a quick video on multilingual AI chatbots. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.